Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You are now watching the global launch event of GEEKOM's brand new mini PC, GEEKOM Mini IT13. This launch event is also being streamed live on YouTube. We encourage you to forward the link to your friends and family because everyone watching will have a chance to win a gift. We will be giving away as many as 4 GEEKOM PM16 portable monitors and not one, but 2 brand new GEEKOM Mini IT13 mini PCs. Are you excited? It is very easy to gain an entry to this exciting giveaway. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at GEEKOM PC. Then send your email address and text the world's first mini PC powered by an Intel 13th Gen i9 CPU to the comment section of our live stream. And that's it. Congratulations, you are now in the lucky draw. The winners of the giveaway will be announced on GEEKOM's official Facebook and Instagram accounts, as well as in the GEEKOM YouTube community on 28th of August, 2023. Each winner will receive an email with the information on how to pick up your gift. So, good luck to you all. The launch event of the GEEKOM Mini IT13 starts now! GEEKOM is a Taiwan-based multinational consumer electronics brand. Since it was founded in 2003, GEEKOM has put all its efforts into the research, design, production, and sale of quality computer products. Before introducing our new product, we'd like to show you the history of mini PCs. Do you know how big a computer is in the very beginning? Well, in the 1940s, a computer was so large it takes up an entire machine room. But despite the humongous size, its functions were very limited. In the 1960s, Digital Equipment Corporation introduced the first ever computer to utilize transistor technology and named it PDP-8. It's generally seen as the pioneer of modern PCs. In the 1980s, personal computers became more widespread. While they are shrinking in size, they are packed with more and more features and functionalities. Nowadays, some PCs are so small that they can easily fit into the palm of your hand, and they are more powerful than ever. If you're a fan of mini PCs or just PCs in general, you must be familiar with Intel's next unit of computing, also known as NUC. Even though the mini PC market is booming nowadays, Intel made a sudden decision last month to step away from the industry. Well, there is no need for you to worry, because here at GEEKOM, we see ourselves as the successor of the Intel NUC brand. We have decided to push the vision of compact computing forward by offering you high-performance mini PCs at competitive prices. With that vision in mind, our team of experts have devoted countless hours to the design, testing, and refinement of each new model. And finally, today, we are so delighted to present to you the world's first mini PC powered by an Intel 13th generation i9 CPU. GEEKOM Mini IT13. The CPU is obviously one of the highlights of the GEEKOM Mini IT13. GEEKOM Mini IT13, the world's first mini PC powered by an Intel 13th Gen i9 CPU. The 13th generation i9 processor is so powerful that it will effortlessly meet all your needs for productivity. And now you're seeing the full structure of the GEEKOM Mini IT13. The mini PC features dual M.2 SSD slots as well as dual SODIMM DDR4 RAM slots. You can have as much as 4 terabits of internal storage and 64 gigabits of dual channel memory. The reason we love mini PCs is that they are small and compact. So our team has spent quite a lot of time in optimizing the size of the GEEKOM Mini IT13. The mini PC only measures half a liter, which is 1/40th of the size of a conventional desktop tower. Of course, port selection also matters. Intel NUCs are often praised for their wide array of inputs and outputs. Well, the GEEKOM Mini IT13 offers exactly the same set of ports as the latest Intel NUC 13 Pro. You'll get 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2, a USB 2, 2 USB 4, 2 HDMI, an SD card reader, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. It's also important for you to note that both USB 4 ports here support 40 gigabit bandwidth and 15-watt power output. You can even connect the Mini IT13 to an external GPU via one of these ports to elevate your gaming and content creating experiences. And now, let's watch the video demonstration of the GEEKOM Mini IT13 with an eGPU. The GEEKOM Mini IT13 also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, offering you the fastest internet access and the most stable connections with wireless peripherals. Besides, the GEEKOM Mini IT13 supports multiple monitors. You can connect to as many as 4 4K displays at the same time. Let's have a look at the performance comparison. As you can see on the screen, the Core i9-13900H processor used in the Mini IT13 is 15% more powerful than the Core i7-1360P CPU. With so much horsepower packed inside, the GEEKOM Mini IT13 is versatile enough for all kinds of computing scenarios. Whether it's gaming, streaming, office work, commercial use, or design use, this tiny computer will see you through everything. First of all, let's talk about gaming and streaming. The Iris Xe Graphics iGPU is on par with many entry-level discrete graphic cards in terms of gaming performance. You can play many modern titles at moderate settings on the Mini IT13. It also supports all mainstream video and audio codecs. Streaming will be extremely smooth on this mini PC. Secondly, office work. Intel processors are known to be perfectly compatible with all kinds of office software. That's why we believe the Mini IT13 is tailor-made for modern professionals. Thirdly, commercial use. The Mini IT13 is extremely power efficient and space saving, making it an ideal solution for commercial environments. Fourthly, design use. Well, it's no secret that professional designers love Intel-based PCs. With the latest 13th gen Intel Core processor inside, the Mini IT13 can really be the designer's new best friend. Besides the impeccable performance, we also take the design and look of this mini PC seriously. The Mini IT13 is gorgeous, but in a low-key kind of way. It will easily merge into all kinds of environments and setups. As you can see, the GEEKOM Mini IT13 packs lots of new technologies and innovations in one small box. That's because our team has been striving to make it the best mini PC ever made. Here are 3 reasons why you should choose GEEKOM. First, we have been investing immensely in workmanship and materials. GEEKOM mini PCs are extremely well made because of the high quality material and the exquisite techniques used in making them. Second, as a tech company, we never stop researching and leveraging new technologies to improve the performance, functionalities, and reliability of our mini PCs. Last but not least, GEEKOM always puts users' experiences first. We are providing our customers with all-round services and technical support. Next up, we will show you more details of our product design. Each GEEKOM Mini PC has a robust metal frame inside. That's why they will be resistant to squeezes and even occasional falls. The frame also blocks most of the radiations from reaching the internal components, keeping the Mini PC running stably, undisturbed by the electric interferences from the environment. What you are seeing now is the size comparison between the GEEKOM Mini IT13 and another mini PC. The Mini IT13 is about 20% smaller, but have you wondered why is the size of the GEEKOM Mini IT13 smaller than most mini PCs on the market? Well, that's because it is employing a more advanced PCB design. Most other mini PCs in the market are using 6x6-inch motherboards of 6 to 8 layer stack up. But we have developed a smaller 4x4-inch motherboard of 12 layers for the Mini IT13. That's the reason why it can be smaller than the competitors. After months of thorough tests, we can assure you that the 4x4-inch motherboard here is also one of the most reliable in the industry. Now, let's watch the video demonstration. Thanks to the great efforts made by our product design team, not only did we manage to take the Mini IT13 smaller, but there's also no compromise in terms of performance. At the same time, all GEEKOM products have undergone strict reliability tests, including high temperature test, low temperature test, vibration test, plug-unplug test, drop test, CPU stability test, and squeeze test. So thanks again for our team's hard work. Next, we would also like to show you the advantages of our services. Firstly, customers will enjoy 3-year warranty for their GEEKOM Mini PCs. All defects in material and workmanship are covered. Secondly, we promise fast, free shipping. The product will be shipped to you from the warehouse that is closest to your location within 3 days after you make the purchase. Thirdly, we offer 24/7 customer service. Whenever you run into any issues with your GEEKOM Mini PC, you can contact our online service team and they will help you troubleshoot right away. Next up, we're going to the most exciting part of today's launch event. The prices of GEEKOM Mini IT13 will now be revealed. Before we do that, we'd like to show you the price of the Intel NUC 13 Pro. You see, the Intel NUC 13 Pro with an i7 processor, 32 gigabits of RAM, and 1 terabits of storage retails for $1,099, while the GEEKOM Mini IT13 with a faster Intel Core i9 13900H processor, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 2 terabits of storage is priced at $789. We're also offering other viable options. The variant with an Intel Core i7 13700H processor, 32 gigabits of RAM, and 1 terabit of storage is available for $689. And the version with an i5 13500H CPU, 16 gigabits of RAM, and 512 gigabits of storage retails for only $499. The GEEKOM Mini IT13 is now available for purchase on GEEKOM's official website and Amazon. If you're interested in becoming a distributor of our mini PCs, you can contact us via the email address on the screen. We strongly believe that through our dedication, hard work, and continuous innovation, you will have great experiences using GEEKOM Mini PCs. Thank you all for being a part of this launch event and celebrating the release of the GEEKOM Mini IT13 with us. Together, we will explore the amazing world of smart technologies. Thanks again for your time.